Hello, I'm Josh Ketchum, and I'm looking forward to being with you at the Hamburg Pike Church of Christ on April 27th and 28th. We're going to be talking about servant leadership. I'm out here with my animals, and we have some sheep, we have horses, we have cows. And each of those have leaders amongst them. You know what's interesting is they all lead based upon their power, and they want to control and dominate those below them. But in human relationships, we want to do the same thing. We want to control by power, by domination, and that's how the people of the world live. But Christ said that's not supposed to be the way it is amongst us. We are to be servants and lead through servanthood. On April 27th and 28th, we're going to be talking about how we can throw away the leadership of the world, the leadership that's like animals, and we can adopt the leadership of Christ and be servants that are called to higher levels. Come be with us. I'm excited about being with you.